Have you ever felt that slow, sinking realization, like a quiet but sharp wave, that someone who once cherished you no longer does? At first it's subtle, delayed replies, a distant tone in their voice. Then suddenly, like a cold wave crashing over you, it hits. You're no longer a priority. No explanations, no closure, just silence. It feels like you've been erased from their life, and the worst part, you don't even know why. Questions start piling up in your mind, but the pain just won't stop. It lingers, heavy and relentless. But here's a powerful truth you might not have considered. This pain could be the greatest opportunity of your life. What if this hurt isn't meant to break you, but to build you? Because the harsh reality is, people only stop valuing you when you forget to value yourself first. Today I'm going to share 10 Stoic tricks that will help you transform that deep hurt into unstoppable power, reclaim your true worth, and turn your toughest challenge into your greatest strength. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just be moving on, you'll be rising stronger than ever. Let's dive in. 1. Embrace the power of indifference. One of the most powerful Stoic skills is learning how to detach from what's beyond your control. When someone stops valuing you, remember, their opinions and actions do not define your worth. Marcus Aurelius taught us that external events are outside our control, but our responses, those are entirely ours. Practicing indifference isn't about becoming cold or uncaring. It means freeing yourself from emotional suffering by stopping the habit of depending on others for your validation. The moment you realize your value isn't determined by their recognition, you unlock true inner power. Instead of chasing appreciation from those who ignore you, invest in your own growth, self-respect, and happiness. The less you seek approval from others, the more peace and confidence you'll discover within yourself. 2. Accept reality and move on. Not everyone will appreciate you, and that's okay. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of lifelong learning, action, and contentment with what we achieve. The sooner you accept this truth, the sooner you free yourself from unnecessary disappointment. People's feelings change, priorities shift. Sometimes they simply fail to recognize the value of what they have. Instead of fighting against reality, embrace it. Trying to gain validation from those who overlook you only drains your energy. Moving forward with dignity, that's the path to true strength. Accepting the truth doesn't make you weak, it makes you wise. So don't waste your time chasing after people who don't appreciate you. Instead, invest your time and energy in those who do. Life is too short to dwell on those who fail to see your worth. Walk away with confidence, knowing your value remains unchanged no matter what. 3. Reframe the situation. Reframing is a powerful Stoic technique that shifts your mindset, allowing you to rise above negative thoughts and feelings. Instead of seeing this loss as rejection or failure, view it as a chance for growth and self-discovery. How you interpret your experience shapes your reality. By changing the story you tell yourself, you take control back and open the door to healing and empowerment. Picking up where we left off about reframing your mindset, let's explore how to shift your perspective and regain control over your emotions. Seneca once taught that a person is not troubled so much by real problems as by the anxieties they imagine around those problems. When someone stops valuing you, it's easy to get caught in a spiral of negative thoughts, feeling rejected, unworthy, or lost. But instead of dwelling on those painful emotions, try something powerful. Reframe the situation. See this moment not as a defeat or a loss, but as a chance to learn, grow, and strengthen yourself. What if rejection is not an end, but a redirection to something better? When you start viewing it this way, you regain the steering wheel of your emotional life. Every situation carries a lesson if you train your mind to seek it. This mindset transforms hardship from a place of powerlessness into an opportunity for wisdom and growth. Fourth, shift your focus to self-worth. If someone doesn't appreciate you, don't waste your precious energy trying to change their mind. Seneca wisely said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." Instead, redirect that energy inward, towards strengthening your own sense of worth. Begin by reminding yourself of your strengths, talents, and achievements. Invest time in activities that make you feel fulfilled and confident. Surround yourself with people who see your value and encourage your growth. When you truly recognize your own worth, you become unshakable. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. If someone chooses to walk away, let them go. Their absence does not lessen your value. Your time and energy are far too precious to be spent on those who fail to see your greatness. Focus on yourself and watch your confidence grow naturally, drawing respect from others like a magnet. 5. Strengthen your mindset. Your mind is your greatest asset, and like any asset, it needs training. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world throws at you. Instead of letting rejection or neglect break you down, use it as fuel to grow stronger." Every setback is an opportunity to build mental toughness. Stop fixating on those who don't appreciate you. Start focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. Develop new skills. Read, exercise, and engage in activities that boost your confidence and resilience. The more you invest in your personal growth, the less others' opinions will affect you. A strong mindset lets you remain calm, composed, and unshaken by external chaos. Strengthen your mind, and no one will ever have the power to make you feel unworthy again. 6. Practice self-compassion. Feeling unappreciated can easily lead to self-criticism or doubt. Yet the Stoics encourage us to show ourselves compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a dear friend in need. Being undervalued by others does not mean you lack worth. Self-compassion reminds you that your value is inherent, not dependent on external approval. Continuing from learning to treat yourself with kindness, let's explore how to respond when you feel undervalued without losing your inner peace. 7. Stay silent and let your actions speak. Sometimes the strongest response to feeling unappreciated is simply silence. Marcus Aurelius wisely said, "Don't waste time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Instead of trying to explain your worth or justify yourself to others, prove it through your actions. Success speaks louder than words. When you stop reacting emotionally and start focusing on self-improvement, you redirect your energy towards something truly productive. Don't waste time begging for recognition. Rise above the noise and let your achievements reveal what others fail to appreciate. The more you invest in yourself, the more those who once undervalued you will see what they took for granted. Stay quiet, stay focused on your goals, and let your progress be the loudest message to those who doubted you. 8. Keep moving forward, no matter what. No matter who undervalues you or how harshly you've been treated, never stop moving forward. Seneca reminded us that life is about progress, not approval, and just as physical labor strengthens the body, difficulties strengthen the mind. Every challenge, rejection, and unrecognized effort is a lesson in disguise. When someone fails to see your worth, don't let it slow you down. Instead, use it as fuel to keep pushing forward. Remember, greatness isn't defined by how others see you, but by how you see yourself. Keep growing, learning, and striving for the best version of yourself. Those who truly value you will always recognize your worth, and those who don't were never meant to be part of your journey. 9. Set boundaries and prioritize yourself. Your time and energy are precious. Don't waste them on people who don't appreciate them. Seneca advised associating only with those who help make you a better person. Setting boundaries isn't selfish. It's an act of self-respect. If someone continually undervalues you, distance yourself. By doing so, you set a powerful example of how you expect to be treated and protect your peace from being disturbed. Boundaries filter out negativity and make space for healthier, more supportive relationships. Prioritizing yourself doesn't mean ignoring others. It means ensuring you are treated with the respect you deserve. Those who genuinely value you will respect your boundaries. Walk away from anyone who doesn't. 10th, stop seeking external validation. If your happiness depends on others acknowledging your worth, you'll always be at their mercy. True confidence comes from within, not from external approval. Instead of waiting for recognition, learn to validate yourself. Build your skills, pursue your passions, and focus on becoming stronger and wiser. When you value yourself, others will naturally follow suit. And if they don't, that's their loss, not yours. You don't need applause to prove your greatness. Recognize your own progress, celebrate your small wins, and take pride in your journey. The less you seek validation from others, the more powerful and self-sufficient you become. Focus on your growth, and soon the right people will notice your worth without you even asking. When others don't value you, remember this: your worth is never defined by their opinions. By practicing these 10 Stoic tricks, you will find strength, resilience, and peace. You are in control of your happiness. Never forget that. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Join the Stoic Guide family for more lessons on living a powerful, peaceful life. And always remember, value yourself first. See you in the next video.